Hey guys, it's Miss Anna and welcome to our instrument unboxing video. I don't know if you guys noticed all of the instrument cases that are currently sitting behind me, but we're going to go through those and we are going to see how to open our instrument without dumping it all over the floor. Because that's oftentimes what happens to a lot of new players because we don't know what side of the case is the top and which one's the bottom. So I'm going to show you guys how to appropriately take your instrument out of its case, unboxing as it were, and we are going to maybe also see like where the different parts of the instrument go in the case if it needs to be taken apart. So let's do this. So if you have your case facing you, like you're sitting over on this side of the case and you're facing your instrument, I'm filming it the way that you would look at it. So you would take your thumbs, and I know it's my pointer fingers, just deal, and lift up on the flaps. And oh look, the bales just jumped off for me. They're very excited. And then again, you want to make sure that it's the top of your case, not the bottom that's facing upward. Otherwise, remember how we don't want that to happen. No injuries for instruments. And again, lifting up. And I'm just going to do a brief introduction to the different parts of our clarinet here. So inside the case, we have the lower body, the bell, the upper body, the barrel, and the mouthpiece. Now I know it's kind of hard to see some different parts of this. Let's see if I can shed some light. Oh, there we go. It's much nicer when I get out of the way of the sunshine. So you can see that our clarinet has more parts to it, and it's probably one of the most complicated instruments we have in terms of assembly for our instrumental music program. And in another video, we're actually going to learn how to put this instrument together. So that is our general unboxing and the different parts of the clarinet. And right now you can actually see really well how up here in the top half, there's not a lot of places for the different instrument parts to sit securely. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take out the upper body here so you can see the divot. So it's this little cutout. Can you see how it's got like this little sleeping zone for the part of the clarinet? That's why we want to make sure that we always open it with the correct side facing downward. Because again, no instrument spillage, no breakage, no injuries on the first day you have your instrument. Nobody wants to go through that. And something else about the clarinet that you guys are going to learn more on later is that in order to make a sound on it, you're going to need one of these. And this is a reed. And a reed is specifically made for its instrument. So this is a clarinet reed as opposed to a saxophone reed. And they come in different hardnesses. And usually this is by like a number level. This is a number 2 hardness reed, and it's usually what I recommend to my beginning players. I tend to enjoy playing on 2.5s and 3s. And again, we'll talk about that more in a later video. So I'm going to close this one, and we'll talk more about clarinet later. Mwahaha.